tidy up your toys.
This last trick on the DVD is my favorite one of all. It has everything. It's useful, it's funny, it's interactive, and it impresses your friends. Once again, we're going to build on your dog's fetch skill. We'll start by teaching the dog to fetch the toy and drop it in the toy box. And then later we can add the opening and the closing of the toy box lid. So I'm going to start by scattering some of Boo's toys around the room. Yeah. And I'm going to have her fetch. Boo, go fetch. Very good. When she brings it back, I'm going to hold a treat right above the toy box. Good job, honey. Very nice. When she opens her mouth to get the treat, hopefully the toy will drop right in. Could you do it again? Fetch. Go on, fetch. Get another one. Right here. Come on. Good job. At the beginning, I'll reward the dog if they get the toy anywhere near the box. But if they happen to drop it in the box, jackpot. Give them a whole handful of treats. As your dog gets better, instead of holding the treat directly in front of the box, we're just going to kind of stand and point to it. Hey, Boo, could you get that last one? Go tidy up. Right behind you. Go tidy up. Go on, go fetch. And tidy up. Get it all the way in. Tidy up. Go on. Let's try this one. Go tidy up. Good. Get it in. Get it in. Tidy up. Tidy up. Good job. Very nice. Good job. Let's try it with some other dogs. Take them out of the box. Fetch. Good. Heaven, heaven, heaven. Right here.
If your dog doesn't want to relinquish his toy, you may want to use a lower value toy.
Right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. Whoops. There you go. Right here. Good. Nice. Good job. Very good. Just tidying up his toys into a toy box is impressive enough. But if you really want to take this trick to the next level, you can also teach your dog to open and close the lid. We teach the dog to open and close the toy box lid the same way that we taught the dog to open and close the refrigerator door. We're going to play with the little rope and wiggle it and say, open, come here, get it, come here. Can you get it? Get it, get it, come on. Open, open, get it, come on. Get it, get it, get it. Can you get, good, get it. Try it again, get it. Get it, come on. Do it again, get it. Get it. Good. Do it again, get it. Get it. Boo, get it. Good. Do it again, get it. Keep going. Good job. Very nice. Good. To teach the dog to close the lid, we're going to start by holding it just a little open and hold a treat so that she has to get up high to get the treat. Can you get it? Can you get it? Up, up, up. Get it. Up. Can you come up? Yeah. Good job. That was great. We'll put it all together and you've got an awesome trick. Let's recap.
Toss a toy for your dog to fetch. When he brings it back to you, hold a treat above the toy box so that when he opens his mouth for the treat, the toy will fall right in. As your dog improves, stand up and just point to the toy box. To open the lid, wiggle the rope and encourage your dog to get it. To close the lid, hold a treat above your dog's head so he will step on the toy box lid trying to reach the treat. Add this trick to your dog's daily chores and you'll be the envy of the neighborhood.